back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Michelle. Today we are talking about that time of the month. Come on everybody, you know what time of the month it is. It's Boxycharm time. Now today we will be unboxing and trying on everything in this box. I'm so excited. But before we get into this video, I just want to remind you guys to hit the like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you can see my videos when I upload them. If not, then you won't see my videos. And come on, they're good. Alright, so we're gonna get straight into this video, guys. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so now it's unboxing time. I'm so excited. I want to see what I got, you know. Woo! Right away, the first item we see is this card, as always. And it's going to let us know what's the theme of the month, which is Caribbean Queen. Here we have a photo of some of the boxy babes. Now, we also have a list of the items and the prices, as always. You guys already know. And the first item in the box that I see is this 3-piece Luxie Trio Foundation Lies. It's a flawless complexion 3-piece set. Now we have the precision foundation brush, we have the tapered highlight brush, and we also have a dual fibered powder brush. Now I've seen some videos already, and I'm sorry, but I will not be using this for foundation. It's just too small of a brush for me. This to me seems more like an under eye powder brush, and this is the highlighting brush, and this is the dual fiber brush. Now dual fiber brushes I actually like to use for blush, so that's what I'm gonna be using it for today. You can use it for whatever purposes you want to use it, but like I always say, my brushes have multiple purposes here on this channel. So what we're gonna do really quick is I already prepped and primed my face and did my eyebrows, you already know. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna throw on some foundation because we need some foundation to set it off, you know. Boom. Woo woo. So also too, that foundation brush, I would actually kind of use it too, maybe to blend out the concealer. So that's what I'm gonna try doing today. So I'm gonna just throw on some concealer over her. This is the Maybelline Master Conceal. Wait. Actually, no. I'm not gonna use this to conceal because I don't want to mess it up. We're gonna use it for powder. I'm just gonna take my Y6 again, and we're just gonna put on the concealer underneath our eye. Now I am extremely excited to play with our little eyeshadow palette that we got this month, as it is from Gabby herself. So I'm excited. I'm just gonna take some Cody airspun, boom, and that's what we're gonna take on this foundation brush. This is what we're using it for, and we just gonna put that down. You see, I think it's a perfect shape. Honestly, I like something a little bigger to put on foundation, so that's why I won't use it personally for foundation. But if you want to try it for foundation, go ahead, girl. Blessings, boo. Blessings to you. I'm just gonna also put some powder all over, you know, mattify this down. Woo! Powder. Okay, now that I'm happy with that, I'm just gonna contour my face quickly. Contour. And I'm just gonna use my regular contour, as always, my Megaglo contouring palette. Dulce de leche is my favorite. Alright, boom. Happy with that. Whatever. Moving on to my next brush. If I can find it. I'm gonna use the dual fiber brush with this Milani blush in the shade Curl Cove, which is one of my favorites. I actually got this dual fiber brush idea for blush from Kathleen Lights. She uses a dual fiber brush. And ever since I tried it out, I just love it. I think it's just like really bam, like you can place it there and then just blend it out and it's just perfect. Yes. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get into the next product, which is our Alamar palette. This is from Gabby, and bam, I'm so happy. I think this is so cute. It is volume 1, so it's like a little book. I mean, I would have preferred that it actually come in like a unit carton, because then God forbid it would have been broken. I would have been really hurt and upset. But we're gonna use this today and we're gonna do a look. We're gonna do a look. We're gonna do a look, and we're gonna put on some concealer on our eyes. So just prime them real quick. You know, tap it out, tap it out. I'll just use my finger really quick. Tap that out, tap that out. Bam. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Morphe E23 brush, boom, and I'm gonna go into the shade Cocoa Taxi first. Not a lot of fallout, which I love. Not too much fallout. Let me grab a mirror really quick so I can see what I'm doing. And boom, this thing is pigmented and she's blending out very good. So I am happy. You see that? Boom. I love this shade. This is really a pretty shade. This palette is so cute. Congratulations to Gabby on her makeup line. I wish her the best, and I can't wait for volume 2. I'm already excited about the first one. I mean the second one, you know? So we're just gonna use that as our transition shade. Now that we got that down, bam, we're just gonna go into our next brush, which is an M433 by Morphe. And I'm actually gonna go into the shade Cafecito. Yes. Whoa, that picked up a lot of product and I didn't even dip it too hard. And we're just gonna put that in the crease. Alright, what I'm gonna do now is actually grab a brush because I forgot to grab it. As always, I'm a mess. I'm gonna dip into the shade Varadero right here. I don't know if that's how you say it, you know, because I see a lot of people putting Celia, and I want to mess with this shade right here. I'm gonna spray it a little once it's on my brush, just so we could get that pigment to shine, even though I know it's like out there already. It's already shining on its own. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Boom. Do you see? Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm in love. Oh my god, do you guys see that? It's stunning. I think this honestly might be my favorite color in the palette. This palette is what I think of when I think of a Caribbean palette. Now we know that she's Cuban, Gabby's Cuban. And girl, thank God for you being a Cuban. You know some good colors. So we're gonna take that out, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go in with an M411 brush, and I'm just gonna go back in with Cafecito, and I'm gonna just darken the crease, I mean the outer corner up, and like blend it over this shade. Boom. Boop. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna take that shade on an MB47 brush, the cafecito. We're gonna pick that up and we're just gonna pull it underneath as close to the lower lash line as you can get. Boom. I was dying to try this color. I just literally wanted this color all over my lip once I saw it, because I was like, oh, everybody's jumping into Celia. Like, they use this color for the outer V and stuff, but I was in love and I was just like, ooh, girl. So what I'm doing now is just taking Coco Taxi and I'm just going underneath and smoking it out. Smoking that out. Now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna take that same brush, that Luxie brush that we took for powder, and we're just gonna wipe away any fallout that you see under here. Boom, that's a look in itself. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to that first brush, that E23 Morphe brush, and we're gonna go back in with Coco Taxi, and we're just gonna run it right on top. This whole look got me like, bam, feeling some kind of way, feeling some kind of way. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray our face with some Mario Badescu. I always like to spray my face first, and then we're gonna go in with La Costa and La Costa, and we're gonna highlight, because I seen them use this for a highlighter, and girl, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. I take it all the way up here, take it on the bridge of my nose. Look at that. Oh my god, it's just like perfect. Beautiful shade. Oh my god, look at that. Nothing, it takes nothing. Woo, Gabby, you did that. Now what we're gonna do too, oh my god, all my brushes is gone today. All my brushes is gone. Like, where's all my brushes? My brushes, they're not here. I'm gonna take my Morphe E36 and I'm gonna go in with El Malecón. And we're just gonna use that as an inner corner highlight. Okay. Just gonna put that up in there. Bam, shiny, muy shiny. And I'm gonna take it underneath the brow bone as well. Woo! Oh my god, I'm in love. I can definitely see me grabbing this palette every day. Like, every day. I'm loving it. And I definitely think you can do a daytime look and a nighttime look with this palette. Just gonna actually take a little bit of that Malecón and put it on my big nose. It's a look. I'm in love. So the next item in our Boxycharm that we have is some Battington lashes. And they're in the shade Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. Yeah. So your girl is gonna pop these on and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back and now we have our lashes on. Like, these are some beautiful lashes. Like, these might be my favorite pair that I own at the moment. So what we're gonna do is, next we have this Jonteblu. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but this is a charcoal eyeliner pencil. So I'm just gonna use that and pop it in my waterline really quick. It's not coming off as dark as I'd like it to be, but it's showing. Maybe once I warm it up and use it after a while, it'll, you know, darken up. We also got in our Boxycharm this month the Ofra Verona liquid lip, and I'm excited. This is exactly the one that I wanted, and we're gonna try it on right now with this look. We're gonna try it on. Oh, I love the smell, and I love Ofra's liquid lips because they're always so soft. Oh my god, I love this color. It goes with my look, so I'm loving it. And then we got this little travel size bum cream. Now guys, this just smells amazing. It smells so good. It's so good. I opened it somewhere. Where is it? Where is it? I opened it up. There we go. Oh, it's on my shirt. But now we got some bum cream on my shirt. It's a body cream. I'm pretty sure you can probably use it on your face, but I'm gonna use it on my hands really quick. Oh, this thing smells so good. So that's what we got in our Boxycharm this month. So again, we got a 3-piece Luxie brush set. I love Luxie brushes. Bam. Now the Luxie brush set retails for $42. The bum cream retails for $10. The Jonteblu eyeliner pencil retails for $5. The Ofra liquid lip, $21. And the Alamar palette retails for $28, along with the Battington lashes, which retail for $28. So this box might be my favorite yet for this year. The lashes are my fave. The liquid lip is my fave. But this palette, oh my god, do you see this? Gabby, you did that. Like, there's no other words for this. Guys, I am in love with this look. I hope you guys have fun watching me unbox this. I was a little boring today, but I'm not feeling too good. I'm just like, bleh, you know, anxiety be killing me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'm always gonna remind you guys, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you guys can see my videos. Next video, I promise I'll be myself, you know, I'll be out there, and yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this with me unboxing and trying on my June Boxycharm, and I'll see you guys next time.